Hi guys, welcome back to another quick video. I'm going to try to make this video short and quick because I'm just going to try and answer a question that was asked on a previous video. It's about magic numbers with expert advisors. Magic numbers and also where to find them, how to use them with Fxdreema. So when you are making robots, do you need a magic number? Uh, my opinion, yes, you need the magic number. Why do we need magic numbers for these expert advisors or forex robots? Why do we need these magic numbers? So let's just imagine. Let's just imagine. Let's say you are walking down the street and then you see somebody bumping somebody and they drive off quickly, but you manage to spot their number plate. When the police ask you, you are going to give them what? The number plate, so that the police can go what? Out there and look for that car with that number plate. Now imagine in a situation where the somebody was bumped by a car and there are 100 cars with the same number plate. What am I talking about? These magic numbers are like IDs for these trading robots. I will show you where to add your magic number on the Fxdreema robot that you'll be making. So they are like IDs for the robots. So when the robot is working on your charts, the robot deposits on each and every trade this ID, this magic number, so that when it comes to managing those trades, it knows the particular what? The particular trades that it placed. It's able to distinguish the trades that it placed from the trades that were placed by your other robot, or maybe trades that you placed manually. So that's where magic numbers come in. They are basically just like an ID for your trading robot. As it's working on your chart, it will make sure that its ID is imprinted on each and every trade that it places. Then when it comes to trailing stop, break even, and all the things that you want the robot to do, it only knows to work on those particular trades that it placed, not the other trades that were placed by another robot or that you placed manually. So that's about magic numbers for expert advisors or trading robots. Now in Fxdreema, where do you find this setting for magic number? It's a magic number, it's not a magic name, so you just put random numbers in there just to make it unique. You know, like an ID, you want to make it unique for each individual forex trading robot. In case you are running five in the same account. So what you do is you go to the top here in your Fxdreema dashboard. You go to the top here where it says options. Then you see this button that says project options. Then you go to here where it says project options. You click on that again and you encounter this block here. You see at the top there it says a magic number, so you just go in there and then you can put whatever unique number that you want for the robot. It doesn't there's no limit to how many numbers, but just put some random numbers so that each and every robot that you are using on your charts is unique, so that the robots are able to distinguish, it's me who plays these trades, it's the other robot that plays these trades. So this is where you just set the magic number there, and then you just update, and then it's saved. Then when you go ahead and download your MQ4 file or your EX4 file, the magic number is there. So yeah, that's it about magic numbers. If you have questions about this, leave them in the comment section below. But yeah, that's it about Fxdreema magic numbers, and I've also explained why you need magic numbers with your expert advisors. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.